and restriction of motion. If you're not moving, you're falling apart. So this is a hip distraction. I'm grabbing onto the hip. I'm going to do a quick pull. That opens up the hip and the knee. Do both sides. Good. I'm just going to cross her arms across her chest. All right, so give me a really deep breath, okay? Blow it all the way out. Good. One more time. Deep breath. Fantastic. How'd that feel?
Great.
Okay, so we're going to get her neck here. And stretch her neck out just a little bit before we do this. Good. Come this way. All right. Quick pull here. Here we go. Good. One more time. Fantastic. So it just tells us that her muscles are really, really tight. Okay. Good. And Epsom salt baths really do help as well. One more time.